Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Chai! Look at this girl! Well, hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. I am dressed, well, almost dressed. I'm about to put on my shoes and my coat. We're heading up to the house today. Chai baby, where are you? I'm trying to show you her outfit because today's Wednesday, so she gets a bath twice a week, Sunday and Wednesday. Chai, I want to also show you her outfit, but we'll see. Oh, you're not alone. I'm here. Look at this girl. Isn't she so cute? Isn't she so cute? She has her little bow and her little outfit. She looks like a little sailor. Yeah? Okay guys, we're in a rush and I don't want to get yelled at, so I'll see you guys in the car. Keep trying to flash that bow out of her hair.
I'm catching feelings from all the dealings. Am I astray? What do you
OMG guys, she looks so cute in her outfit and her bow. She looks like a little girl. I keep saying that I think Chai is a little tomboy. She plays so rough. I'm like, I can't play with Chai the way how she likes to be played with. So whenever Alyssa is playing with her and she's done playing, she'll come and curl up in my lap. She knows that when it's time to cuddles and be cute and be sweet and gentle, she hangs out with me.
I love the fact I didn't let her go. She knows so fat that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role.
Hey guys, we just got to Texas Roadhouse because Melissa was in the mood for their rolls. If you do not know about the bread, the complimentary bread, my battery just died, so I had to change out the battery. But we just stopped at Texas Roadhouse because Melissa was in the mood for their bread. And if you know nothing about Texas Roadhouse, you know that their bread is honestly life-changing. I've never had better bread. The best dinner rolls ever in life. Anyways, Chai's over here acting up. You wanna come, baby? Okay. I read online that they accept service animals. Like she's my right, Chai? That was really weird. Well, good morning everybody. It is a new day in this weekly vlog. I just did my makeup because you guys would have already known that I did not upload yesterday, which was Wednesday. Yeah, we got here and I will talk to you guys more about what happened. Being a business owner, especially in the hospitality field, there are just things that you are never going to expect. I don't know, yesterday was just really bad. The house was just in. I'm going to make a more in-depth video behind the scenes of a Airbnb host, you know, the downside of hosting. But this morning I'm up, I'm in far better spirits. I decided to do my makeup so I can go and quickly film this week's video, edit it and have it up by no later than tomorrow. Friday is also another day that I normally upload videos, so I'm gonna try my absolute best to have it up no later than Friday. I'm gonna go and finish getting dressed so I can get that video out of the way. If I keep talking to you guys know my mouth goes a mile a minute. Okay, you guys, finished filming and I just ate dinner. We had leftover from Texas Roadhouse, and Melissa also put on some broccoli as well, so we had that. The house, I'd say, is 80% done. The only thing left to do is for me to vacuum and wipe the living room, and then Melissa's gonna quickly just wash down the walls in the bathrooms, and then we're out of here. So the guest that checks in, I believe, on Saturday, they are celebrating a 30th birthday. One of the things that we do at Mountain Getaway is, if our guests let us know ahead of time if they're celebrating a special occasion, we try to leave them a complimentary bottle of either red, white wine or sparkling wine. The guest actually selected sparkling wine. We buy a few bottles in bulk. The person that booked, they're celebrating her sister's 30th birthday, so I figured I would get them a bottle of Moscato, sparkling Moscato. So I'm gonna leave out this bottle, and also, how many guests are staying, baby? I think it's 6. You said that you've been with our bottles, I like to just leave out a few champagne glasses as well. Based on the amount of people that are checking in, I'll just leave out some glasses, and that way they know that it's for them. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade away? Can we let it fade away? We'll take it day by day. Falling for you, I can't keep away.